Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to create Datasource using Microsoft SQL. First, navigate to the Studio section of the platform. Next, select Datasource from the menu. Then, click on New Datasource to begin the setup process. Choose Microsoft SQL as your data source. To establish a connection with Microsoft SQL, click on the plus button. Give your connection a proper name to easily identify it later. Now, fill in all the mandatory fields, including the port, server, username, password, and database. Once everything is filled out, click Validate to check the data. Click Save to complete the process. Then choose the Establish Connection from the drop-down menu. After selecting your connection, all the tables from that source will appear on the left side of the screen. Simply drag and drop the desired tables into the Datasource Designer section. For the further process, you can add measures and dimensions. Thanks for watching.